Hi, my name is Wouter Polvliet and I'm a brand manager at Decospan. Today I will introduce you to Shinnoki. This is our collection of pre-finished wood panels that don't need any additional treatments anymore. This is a big advantage for you as a designer because very early in the design stage you already know the exact color your panels will have. As a cabinet maker, the transformation goes very smoothly, so that saves you a lot of time and hassle. On top of that, I can assure you that we use the latest technology and have years of experience in finishing products, so the final quality is very high level. Shinnoki panels have a top layer of real wood veneer, which is pressed on an MDF. The size of our boards is 4x9 and the thickness is 19 mm. This is an ideal size for many interior concepts. We have the boards in a single-sided and a double-sided version. We also supply matching laminates with the real wood veneer surface, but also stained in a matching color and lacquered so you don't have to finish them yourself anymore. This way you can transform any kind of core to your liking as a final Shinnoki product. All our products are available from stock. For each Shinnoki color, we have developed matching edge bands. We have them in real wood veneer or in ABS. These edge bands are developed to match exactly with the surface color of your Shinnoki panels. This way, you can easily complete every project into the finest details. There are 16 different colors in the Shinnoki collection. We offer bright, gray, over brown to dark tones. This way, there is always a fitting solution for your project. Thanks to our mix-match technology, which is patented, we can create a uniform surface because we blend different pieces of veneer to one uniform surface. This way, there are no visual interruptions on your projects. Do you want to see how Shinnoki fits in your project? Visit Shinnoki.com. You will find a lot of information and visuals to help you create your project. Finally, there are also a lot of samples available through our webshop. Thank you.